The governor and state epidemiologists say they like the direction the state is headed when it comes to emerging from the pandemic. And the governor says his mandate on face masks in schools is going to stay.
And our voices are being heard.
The governor invited 3 students from Enterprise High in southern Utah to weigh in on his mandate requiring face coverings in all K-12 schools. They pushed back on anti-mask demonstrations in their community. We've seen similar protests statewide.
The problem with it was the parents were putting their agenda on the kids.
We're willing to do it. We want to be here and we're willing to make that sacrifice, and that's not the decision for the parents to make.
Thanks for your leadership.
The governor signaled the mandate will remain in place.
I think the policies we have in place right now are good ones. They're based on the best science, the best medical advice, common sense, and what it's going to take for us to, in fact, slow down and stop the spread of this coronavirus.
Governor Herbert has not issued a statewide mandate, but is letting local communities implement them. Salt Lake County says it's seen success with 90% compliance and COVID-19 cases dropping.
As we reach the end of August, I think we all really need to be proud of what progress we have made and where we're at.
The state epidemiologist says they're watching back-to-school efforts for a possible spike in COVID-19, but believes we are seeing an overall decline. Each school district has safety plans in place, and the governor's education advisor says so far things are working.
And the school openings certainly have not been without challenges. There's some bumps, some miscommunications that we've even handled at our office, major adjustments and minor adjustments. But we've been encouraged that for the most part, the feedback that we've gotten has been overwhelmingly positive.
Now, the governor and Dr. Dunn say cases can keep declining and Utah can return to a more normal way of life if people continue to practice physical distancing. That's staying 6 feet away from others, washing your hands, and of course, wearing face masks. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.